This week we are going to focus on the bullish on the dollars as well as gold. Okay, so let's start with the major one with gold. I think that on the gold, even though that we have a trend line, a bullish trend line over here, and the trend line has been broken, but I still believe this is the trap for the traders to sell off. But in fact, the major direction is still a bullish. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so on the H4 time frame, we can see that the lows, they are getting higher. Okay, the lows, they are getting higher, and even though that's the trend line has been broken, it is an inducement for the sellers to short their position, and then it will somehow likely to trap the late sellers. So that means the seller that didn't have the chance to enter the short in here, they will somehow to FOMO, they will sell off, continue to sell off. But I still believe that the trend is still bullish, because we can see that after the breakout of the trend line, we can see that the price begin to reacting to this area. So if I turn on the volume, I can see that there's a huge wick, a lot of reaction in this area. You can see that it has represented by the volume. Okay, so this zone is very crucial. It's like a huge support for the gold. If the price somehow likely to break below this support zone, I think that the direction will change into a bearish. And for right now, I am still looking for a buy the long position. Because when I go to the lower time frame, after we identify that the major direction is bullish, you need to find an entry. So on the lower time frame, I can see that the highs, they are getting lower. So, and right now the price has broken the trend line, the downtrend of the small time frame, and but it doesn't mean it will be a reversal. We need to find some pattern that the price somehow to move like this. The price need to first reaching this area, this high over here, and then a retracement, and then a new breakout in order for a new direction to continue the bullish direction. So this will be my entry over here if the price follow my plan. So I still waiting for a buying position. Okay, so next one, the next pair that I want to focus is the Australia dollars. Rather than the others, the euro and the pound, because the other two, they are not clear to trade. The market doesn't give me any signal to enter. So for the Australia dollar and the Australia dollar and the USD, so same thing. On the higher time frame, we can see that there's the lows, they are getting higher, and so the major the major direction is bullish, even though that the price has created a new movement, bearish movement over here, but I believe that it's still an inducement and a traps for the retail traders to enter, so somehow that the seller they miss this opportunity, they will find an entry somehow around here. But I still believe that the price will continue a bullish direction to reaching this high. Okay, obviously that's how the market works. The lows getting higher on the higher time frame. This is the fake out. I believe this is the fake out. I do have my position on the Australian dollar and the US dollar. You can see that I'm already floating profit, so I still believe that the price will continue to go up. Same thing with this one, but let's first explain my entry. Why do I entry this in this particular area over here? Okay, so we need to find the major movement first. So when we identify the structure is bullish, okay, we need to find the structure. So this is the wave, the first wave. So I give a retracement on the bullish run on the bullish run. So I need to find a way to enter. So I'm looking for these Fibonacci levels. Okay, I need to find the place where it's forming the support for the price. And for today I can see that the price reacting to this area, even though that there are no signs, no signal, no data about the reversal, but I will take the risk in here, even though that this area by this area is more ideally for the long position. But I still believe my analysts. I think that this is a good area to buy, to enter long, because I can see the consecutive bearish candles over here. So it needs to retrace, so I just enter. Okay, that's for the Australian dollar and the dollars. Next with a similar idea for the previous pair. So same thing on the higher time frame, the lows they are getting higher. You can see that there's a fake out. There's a fake out. There's a fake out over here. See, it trapped the sellers because the major direction is still bullish. So I still need to find an entry for the long position. So same thing, I have this Fibonacci and I expect the level. We can see that there's a doji candle on the 50% level. So I will take the risk again. It's a risk. It's not very risky, but it's worth the risk. So I enter this trade as well. Okay, so that's it for the analyst for this week. Maybe for the last one next week also, because we are reaching to the end of May. So I still believe that there are still many trading opportunities. So make sure that you guys grab it.